Hey guys, this is the FL Skage movie production, and this is my unboxing of Frankie mail. As you can see, I ordered a fairly amount of stuff. So yeah, let's get into this. This Frankie mail, it was supposed to come on Wednesday, but it didn't come till today, which is Friday. But that's fine, because, you know, waiting for Frankie mail is worth it. Because about how, like, Fingerskate Selective sells this stuff for really cheap. And they're always really good quality stuff, so. I don't, look at these scissors. That's just a fail. Okay, he really likes to keep his stuff safe. So, bear with me. Yeah, why don't I just do it like this? Oh, never mind, I got it. Okay. Just cut it. I'm so slow opening this stuff. Okay, the first thing I got is the yo-yo tray picture. Wow, he even said, "Thanks, Jacob." That's awesome. I'm really definitely gonna put this on the wall in my room. So yeah, that's really awesome. And then I got this little envelope in here. Oh, I can see the picture or something. Okay. I've never ordered this before, but this is my pack of slippy tape. Well, that's pretty big. And the letter. And FSS grippy tape. Wow, he even changed the sticker. So yeah, gave me the 4 pieces of grippy tape, and it comes with the 2 kingpins and the wrench. So yeah, and I got this little note. Weirdo wheels. Wow, he gave me free weirdo wheels. That's really awesome of him. And he included the new sticker and stuff. He said, "What up, Jacob? Thanks for all the support. I'm gonna toss you some weirdo wheels, some free weirdo wheels, since you bought so much lately. Keep fingerboarding. Stay tuned. Yo yay." It's really awesome. You guys have to just make sure you go and subscribe to him and send some Frankie mail. This guy is really legit. Like, free wheels. Isn't that awesome of him, just to give me free wheels out of nowhere? So, really, be lookout on a review for the review that I'm going to do for this. This really awesome of Fingerskate Selective. He's really... So yeah, that's my unboxing of the Frankie Finger Decks. So yeah, go to Fingerskate Selective's YouTube channel and go to therealfss.com, and I'm going to put the link in the description. So yeah, see you later guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.